but nobody was in doubt about that form of Virat's. Now we know the quality that he has. He's been on top of his game for last 15 years. You know, come the occasion, we know big players will stand up. And Virat was obviously holding that one end, which was very, very crucial for us. Uh, and the others played around him. And for us to get to that total was a team effort as well. We wanted somebody to bat as long as possible. These are not the wicket where you can just come and bat freely and keep the scoreboard ticking straight away. So we do understand that, and we wanted somebody to bat as long as possible. Virat did that perfectly. That is where experience, all the years that he has played, comes into the picture. And the other guys around played really well. Aksar's knock of 47 was, I think, very, very crucial as well.
Let's jump on to the bowling now, and you've got many, many heroes across the tournament. Aksa himself with the ball, Kuldeep, Ashdeep. But this guy, Jasprit Bumrah, how do we put into words what he keeps doing?
I can understand you guys trying to put it out in the words, but I've been someone who's seen him for so many years playing alongside me. Even I don't know what exactly is with him, and what I know exactly what he brings to the table, but how he does that, it is just masterclass, to be honest. And he backs his skills, which is more than enough. And he's a very confident lad. Whatever he wants to do, he executes that to perfection, which is a very rare sight. I know.
Hardik is telling you that he wants to celebrate here now.
Yeah, no, I mean, just with Bumrah, to put it in one word, he's a class act.
And Hardik bowling that.
Hardik was brilliant as well, bowling that over, no matter how many runs is required to bowl that last over, nerves and all of that. I'm very, very, very proud of the boys.
A word to the fans who turned up here finally, who supported you at home and abroad.
Yeah, no, absolutely fantastic. All the way through New York to Barbados, I just want to salute them, to come and support us the way they have. And also back home, millions of people are sitting there watching it. And it's a late night in India. I'm pretty sure they will be up tonight to watch this. It is for them. They've been waiting for a long time, like we have. So yeah, I mean, very, very proud of what we've achieved today.
Rohit, congratulations. Thank you very much for all the entertainment you provided around this tournament. Once again, I'll allow you to go and to join your teammates to receive the trophy from Mr. Greg Barclay, the ICC chair, and Mr. Jay Shah, ICC director. Congratulations to India, led by Rohit Sharma, ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup Champions 2024.
विजेता वही जो हार न माने, विश्व विजेता वो जो दुनिया के सामने अड़ जाए। ये टीम इंडिया अड़ी है, ये टीम इंडिया लड़ी है। ये खिताब सबसे बड़ा है, भारतीय क्रिकेट के इतिहास में नया कोहिनूर चढ़ा है। ये जश्न की रात है, ये सेलिब्रेशन का वक्त है। 13 साल का वो लंबा इंतजार बिल्कुल वनवास की तरह। पिछले 12 महीनों में तीसरा आईसीसी फाइनल था टीम इंडिया का। आखिरकार बोरिवली के उस लड़के ने आज बारबेडोस में भारत का तिरंगा लहराया। ये तोहफा है दुनिया भर से टीम इंडिया के दीवाने फैंस के लिए। ये गिफ्ट है कोच राहुल द्रविड़ के लिए। ये इंस्पिरेशन है उन युवाओं और बच्चों के लिए जो इस खेल को जीना चाहते हैं। कभी कपिल देव, कभी सचिन तेंदुलकर, कभी MS धोनी, और अब विराट जा रहे हैं पूरी जनरेशन को क्रिकेट का ये नायाब खेल सौंपकर। और वो सारी भावनाएं जो हम अपने दिल में महसूस कर रहे हैं, वो आज आप टीम इंडिया के इन चेहरों पे देखेंगे। कोच राहुल द्रविड़ के चेहरों पे देखेंगे, हार्दिक पांड्या के चेहरे पे देखेंगे। यार भाई 5 साल हमने देखे हैं यहाँ पे, एक साथ एक के बाद एक फाइनल। आप बताइए दिल में क्या फीलिंग है?
2007 में राहुल द्रविड़ कैप्टन थे और वो हम क्वालिफाई नहीं किए थे सुपर 8 के लिए, तो बाहर हो गए थे लीग स्टेज पे। और उनके उसके बाद ना उन्होंने मोबाइल बंद कर दिया था। इंडिया आए, कप्तानी त्यागी, मोबाइल बंद। लोग पूछ रहे भाई कि क्यों छोड़ो कप्तानी, हार गए पर कप्तानी क्यों छोड़ो? वो मीडिया से बात नहीं करे, फोन बंद था। वो दिन था 2007 की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं। वहाँ धोनी का वर्ल्ड कप जीता, तो उससे पहले ये भी हुआ था जहाँ राहुल द्रविड़ कैप्टन थे, वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफाई